Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Apple Cash verification. Open Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and click on Wallet and Apple Pay, and you will be able to see your Apple Pay Cash like something like this. You will see Apple Cash over here. Now what you have to do is turn this toggle from on to turn off. Once you turn it off, your Apple Cash will be disabled, but you want to reset Apple Pay Cash or just you want to make a new start. So what you will do, you will again turn on this toggle. Now once you turn on, it will ask for your Apple ID password. So simply type in your password, and once you're signed in once again, this toggle will be turned on and you have to turn it off immediately once again. Once you turn it off, then what you have to do is turn on again and enter your iPhone pass or your iCloud password once again. And once you're signed in into your Apple ID, and then this time it will show you that Apple Cash is not set up your new Apple Pay Cash. And that's simply that's old classic way, and most of the people still do it. And if you find it on Reddit, you can see that the exact same solution has been given, and it has 189 upvotes, and people are giving some positive comments about it. So tell me in the comment section below that if this method worked for you or not. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.